Good afternoon, dear colleagues, dear friends. Kalispera σας, καλώς ήρθατε. Welcome. Today we have, I do hope, a fun and enthralling journey to Zakynthos, part of Ionian West Islands. Ionian group consists of 7 islands like Corfu, Zakynthos, Ithaca, Kefalonia, etc. And the Ionian group is west and north part of Greek area. Zakynthos washed just by one sea, and the name of the sea is Ionian Sea. Dimensions of the island, Zakynthos, are 40 kilometers to 20 kilometers. So it means we are talking about the miniature, about tiny, about elfin, very small boutique island. Yeah, I have skipped, but I returned. Look, here on the slide, we see a signature card of Greece itself. It's Navajo Bay, located in Zakynthos Island, of course, and the west part of island. And because of the unique, because of outstanding, without the something similar in the world, incredible beauty, Navajo Bay is signature card of Greece on poster, advertisement, movie, etc., together with Santorini. So as you see, it's deep blue turquoise color of the water with crystal white sandy beach, and close to the entrance with a small, like a woman nail, let's say like that, small white pebble. Yeah, and other slides with the same Navajo Bay, but with different view. Just enjoy. Just enjoy. To get the Navajo Bay is possible only from the seaside, not from the gorge, not from the rocky, no way, just from the sea. Yes, and the unique riddle, let's say, the question and why Navajo Bay is a magnet for all of us, for all customers who admire about the Zakynthos, and even who didn't make a plan to visit Zakynthos yet, but will make it sure. It's unbelievable, unbelievable color of the sea, Ionian Sea. It seems that not possible to exist in nature such clean, such not similar with the rest colors that usually we use in our life and we see around. But indeed, you ask yourself, is it exist in my life? Is it not a dream what I see? Yes, it's not a dream, it's reality. So it's a beauty, Navajo Bay, unique place in Greece and unique place in Zakynthos. Just because, even because of Navajo Bay, some customers, some clients plan to visit Zakynthos just because of the Navajo Bay. So on the map, in the internet, you will find the second name of Navajo Bay is a shipwreck beach, and as you see, because of the ship you see on the sandy beach. Well, we announced and we mentioned this information already about the Ionian Islands, 7 islands, Corfu, Zakynthos, Ithaca, Kefalonia, Paxa, Lefkada, Kytheria, and about the dimensions, just to show you the geographical location, Zakynthos Island. Please pay attention on my pointer, and you will see Peloponnese and west part here, is Zakynthos Island. So now we refreshed, we know our knowledge about the Zakynthos location. Corfu is higher, close to Albania and close to Italy, and Zakynthos a little bit lower, but it's with a figure 6 Ionian group of the islands. Well, Pame. Pame, it means, let's continue. So, now we see the satellite shot. I have included with purpose just to show you that the landscape of the island is not flat, but very complicable, as you see, with mountains in the middle of the island. And it's on the west part, you see the west part, it's just a gorge, just a rocky, a clay and cliffs, let's say. For the tourism, allotted only east and south part of the island. West part, it's as I just told you, just describe you, it's a cliff, it's a rocky, it's very beautiful, splendid sea caves, and island totally covered by the pine and greenwood forests. Yes, here it's not the satellite shot, but it's just a draw scheme, and we'll see now the location of the most famous resorts, starting from, let's say, Cameo, Daphne Beach, Laganas, Kalamaki, etc. And again, for the tourism, island allotted only east part and south part. West part, it's let's say not crowded at all, just forest, and maybe somewhere you can find panoramic tavernas, but the height of this cliff, it's approximately 200 meters, 300 meters above the sea. On the left side, you see the distance between the airport Zakynthos and the listed below touristic resorts. 17 kilometers is the most far distance, Alikanas or Vasilikos Cape, the most far distance from the airport to the resort. The most popular, demanded, very famous touristic resorts like Laganas, like Kalamaki, is just 4 kilometers from the airport, and Laganas just 7 kilometers from the airport. Here on the map you see the red triangle. It's a sign of Zakynthos city. The Zakynthos and the Zakynthos capital is the same name, and so it means you will not forget the name of the capital island. Well, so again we talk about the Navajo Bay or Shipwreck Beach. It's the sandy beach, just remind you, it's a sandy, crystal white sandy beach, and close, as much close to the entrance, it's sandy with a small white pebble. Well, again about the west part, and west part covered by the pine and greenwood forest, and the locals pick mushrooms in April and in the autumn, as you see, very mushrooms. Famous Blue Kerry Caves, it's a mecca for divers, very famous place. Yes, again, just enjoy the colors, the natural colors of the sea. Unbelievable. If we talk about the quality of the beach, Zakynthos has only sandy beach, very long and very white beach. Yes, we will have ahead slides to prove my remarks, Yeah, again, look please on the slides, and you see it's very long and very wide sandy beach. With ideal entrance shallow to the sea. Yeah, here there, let's say, bird view image, and we see the capital Zakynthos from the bird view. Yes, here we will stay for a couple of minutes. Corfu, Zakynthos, and part of west part of Greece, including Ionian Islands, never belonged to Ottoman Empire. From the beginning, let's remember the Alexander the Great period. Ionian Islands was part of Alexander Empire, then the Roman Empire, then the Venetian period from 14th until 17th centuries after the Christ birth. Well, then Italian part again, then during the Napoleon period, a French part, then Italian again, and UK, the last owner of Zakynthos Island. It means that Zakynthos Island absorbed, took, and let's say soak a lot of different, and from let's say on the one hand, and then from the second, on the second hand, similar culture, European culture. And when, for example, you will have the holiday, farm trip, our class will visit Zakynthos, they will feel, they will catch, let's say, they will feel in the atmosphere, they will read with details that Zakynthos, together with Corfu, it's more Italian island than Greek island because of the close neighbor Italy, and because of the owners had and influenced and changed and built the culture, the architectures of this island. So it means when you will have a holiday, it's a question, are you in Greece or you are in Italy? It's the question, but it's a unique experience that you and our guest will get, surely unique. So again, about the capital, why I was talking about the history, about the owners of Zakynthos Island, because you see here, partly, of course, main square with the name San Marco Square. So who likes Italy immediately will remember the same name, the same image, the same view, San Marco in Venice, and will be absolutely right. Exactly. Main square, Zakynthos capital, is equal copy of San Marco Square of Venice. So you are welcome in Greek Italy, let's say. Oh, above the signature card, Navajo Bay, Shipwreck Beach, we have again something unique. And this unique place is natural reserve where live very rare turtles, caretta. And it's not closed natural reserve. No, this natural reserve are very famous at the same time touristic resort, Laganas and Kalamaki. And what does it mean for us? It means that swimming in the Ionian Sea we can face with local inhabitants. Local, I mean sea inhabitants like turtles. So it's the second unique experience we will get surely. For your information, just to save and to keep calm psychology of turtles, to look after them, to take care about them. Airport doesn't accept, Zakynthos airport doesn't accept flights after the 10 o'clock p.m. until 5 o'clock a.m. Well, just to take care about the turtles. Again, for your information, that during COVID period, the population of turtles increased for 60%. Above the turtles, in Ionian Sea, we can face the small dolphins. For kids, for adults, for me, for you, I know it's again a very pleasant experience and gift, let's say gift. Above the natural reserve, we have the Argassi-Zante Park. It's like interactive zoo with birds, with animals. Now we see the peacock, we see the raccoons, we see a deer, олени, yes, and a lot of different birds and other animals. Above the Shipwreck Beach, Novaya Bay, above the natural reserve with turtles, above the Argassi-Zante Park, we have again a natural, let's say, healing springs, enriched with sulfur and minerals, по-русски сероводородные источники, as extremely healthy for skin and for bones. If, for example, 20 minutes per day, you will have sea bath, swim in these mineral springs. It means that till the end of your vacation, you will feel the changes in the quality of the skin, and who, for example, a little bit elder, not 20, maybe not 30, and maybe suffering from arthritis, for example, from some illness of the bones, again, will feel the relief. Of course, how it's possible to imagine vacation without the wineries visit, without the olive oil factory visit. If, for example, you plan your vacation at the end of August, beginning of September, you will have a unique chance to, let's say, to harvest grapes, to squash and to squeeze the grapes, as just remember Celentano movie, yes, and to get the unique experience, and to visit wineries, to taste different wine sorts together with cheese. It depends of its ideal combination, depends of the red wine, or rose wine, dry wine, or semi-dry or semi-sweet. It depends of the sort of the wine, with ham, cheese, with some fruits. Just test, or maybe to buy something. So, because not possible to imagine Greece without the wineries, without the vineyards. It's not possible to imagine Italy and France without the vineyards. Not possible. So yes, I'm sure. Yes, exactly. Here they serve a table with a different sort of wines, a sort of the wines, and if, for example, you come, you can taste and enjoy the time together with wine. Very good quality. Yes, exactly. about the wineries, I recommend you to visit old vintage factories and to see and to know the old machines and to know the history of olive oil production and to buy some bottles with different flavors. It can be truffle with extra ingredients. It can be orange. It can be chili. Different extra ingredients. To buy the olive oil pasta, to buy the cosmetics produced with olive oil and different product. So staying in Zakynthos, we can visit neighbor islands. For example, Kefalonia Island, just pay attention, and very famous Kefalonia Island beach, Myrtas. Yeah. We can go to Ithaca, the motherland of Odysseus. We can go to the mainland and visit legendary Olympia. I recommend this excursion. You will know a lot. Very exciting, as for me, information about the place of birth Olympic game, about to whom this Olympic game were dedicated to, who was the initiator of this Olympic Games, what sport activities from the beginning were, let's say, performed on the Olympic Games, and then how this list of sport activities was enriching from let's say not year, because Olympic Games were organized every 4 years, so from game to the game. Very interesting history, very I recommend you this excursion program. Here the slide with highlights around the island. We will skip it because all our presentations are being recorded, so it means that all time you will have a chance, possibility to return on every slide, to stop the presentation, to read, and maybe to make just some notes. Resuming everything what I have listed, what I have described, what I have spoke about, I made a resume about the reasons to holiday on Zakynthos Island. And of course, we are talking about the amazing beauty of the island, covered the pine and greenwood forests, about the very good quality sandy beach, about wineries, about the olive oil factories, about the we didn't talk, but we will talk about the Greek cuisine in Zakynthos. It's a special chapter. Yeah, about the historical sites. Of course, not possible to skip authentic small villages, and it's highly recommended to visit them from my side. And for me, because comparing, for example, with Crete, Rhodos, or Corfu, Zakynthos Island doesn't have very heavy value historical, let's say, historical, let's say, historical chapter, historical base, historical data. That's why for me Zakynthos is the island for whom would like to dive and to absorb themselves in the nature, to make the detoxification of minds and soul, who would like to be face to face with nature, to enjoy the beauty of the world, in particular the beauty of Zakynthos Island, who would like to see colors, blue and 100 and more different shades of blue and green. So for me, it means like a soul healing. Yes, as a healing of the soul. I think it's the correct characteristic. Well, because we have several big famous resorts in Zakynthos Island, I will not now to let's say to open this chapter, to open this topic and give the characteristic and read for you characteristic of the every resort. No, depends of the hotel we will describe. Of course, in parallel, we will make characteristic of the resort as well. So, again, Argassi. Let's start from Argassi Resort. Argassi Resort was the first resort that started to organize tourism in Zakynthos Island. That's why Argassi has the special feature as a narrow sandy beach. From the beginning, initially, Argassi, as the rest touristic resorts of the island, had very wide and sandy beach. But when, for example, it was the middle of the previous century, the hoteliers started to build the hotels, the properties here. They before they started to build hotels, the buildings very close to the sea, and it means that the width now of the sandy beaches maximum, for example, 2-3 meters. Comparing with Laganas, where one will visit with you Laganas hotels, you will see and you will make the comparison. So, but despite of narrow sandy beach, Argassi is the most famous resort with haute couture gastronomy of the island. I am sure that Argassi proposes the best haute couture Greek cuisine restaurant. That if, for example, you would like to make some gastronomy journey in Zakynthos, you will start from Argassi and you will end in Argassi. I am sure that the best restaurants with a different different theme and different dimension, direction of the cuisine, seafood or Greek Mediterranean haute couture cuisine, or it can be let's say organic barbecue cuisine, or a different small difference. Anyway, it will be the best cuisine here in Argassi. Yeah, here the proofs of my words. Yes. And how, for example, the guests who stay in Argassi hotels and apartments, how they can enjoy the sandy beach. They can stay, of course, on the sandy beach of the hotels they live in, or they can use the public transport. It's €2.50 or €3 per way, and go to the Vasilikos Cape. Vasilikos Cape, 17 kilometers from the airport Zakynthos, and enjoy the sea and enjoy the sandy beach. You see the quality of this sandy beach, kilometers of the length, kilometers, with ideal entrance to the sea. Ideal, no rocky, no seaweed, no any let's say the stone platform, nothing. So now we start to talk about the apartments and about the hotels. When we gave characteristics to the Zakynthos island itself, I mentioned that it's more Italian island than the Greek in our imagination island. That's why Villa Krinas apartments will be like exclusion, because Villa Krinas has the Greek design inside of the interior, comparing with the rest. Villa Krinas apartments can provide breakfast, half-board, or it can be room accommodation only, and located in Argassi area. Villa Krinas has only totally 23 rooms, studio and apartments, 350 meters from sandy beach. Fully equipped kitchen corner, as one time we discussed with you that it's very useful to have an equipped kitchen corner, because always there is possibility to cook salad, to for example, to make extra cup of coffee, to buy some vegetables, to make some fruits. Yes, yes, a lot of possibilities. Krinas villas, Greek authentic atmosphere. Yes, and yes, studio and apartments. Laganas Resort, you see, it's splendid sandy beach, very long and wide. Probably Laganas is the most popular resort among the rest island resorts. Villa Maria, yes, Villa Maria apartments. It looks like Mediterranean villa with marble balconies, with very beautiful, amazing garden. You see it's stones here, vases with trees, with flowers, benches for the romantic souls, and the French windows from the floor until the ceiling. It's a clear and truly Mediterranean style. Yes, and the balconies with panoramic view on the garden. Villa Maria, located just 500 meters from the sandy beach of Laganas, consists only from 15 rooms, studio and apartments. Villa Maria is many years a bestseller for our tourists. California's apartments, our new product, located as well in Laganas area, just only 8 rooms. 8 rooms, yes, very small, very boutique. Apartments located just 200 meters from sandy beach, and you see it's 8 rooms dived in garden, just dive. Very romantic atmosphere, very romantic. Yes, it's combination between Provence style and between the Greek style. Fully equipped kitchen corner. It's ideal combination to have the apartments. It means to have possibility always to cook something and to be located in Laganas area. Laganas area, it's very highly infrastructured resort with a lot of mini markets, supermarkets, tavernas, restaurants, shops, nightclubs, mini bars. Yes, it's number one. Olive Grove elegant apartments. Again, you see a list of different meal types, starting from room only, breakfast, half-board, all-inclusive. Argassi-Zante. All rooms have 2 bedrooms, So it means it's apartments. So all apartments have 2 bedrooms. As you see, very spacious balcony and terrace. The one door of 1 bedroom and the second bedroom. Yes, and interior with minimal, with a style of combination between the white and the light green colors, and very modern kitchen corner. 300 meters from sandy beach. Albatross, again, we are in Laganas area. Albatross Resort, small boutique 3-star hotel with breakfast meal basis, open pool. 300 meters from sandy beach, and despite of the hotel status, all rooms have equipped kitchen corner. You see, after the renovation, everything is new. Next one, Dennis Inn, located in Kalamaki. Again, after the total renovation, Dennis Inn, located 300 meters from the sandy beach, has 2 pools for kids playground, mini disco provides, and the kids menu. Yes, here you can see the location. 300 meters to the beach. Yes, it's not a bold area, it's infrastructured area with supermarket, mini markets, with the restaurants. Yes, different apartments and hotels. Main restaurant, the library. For your information, every hotel and every apartment in Zakynthos Island and Corfu as well has library. It's a hallmark for the Ionian Islands. Playground, mini club, yes, main restaurant, and rooms. We have double, triple, and family open plan. Iliesa Beach. Again, we return to Argassi Resort, and I will show you Iliesa Hotel. You see, it's the first line. And again, we remember that Argassi Resort has, unfortunately, it's historically become narrow sandy beach. Yes, Mediterranean style. First line, you see here a green lawn with free of charge sunbeds and umbrellas, 2 steps, and the guests on the sandy beach. Just in the next slide will show you the sandy beach. Yes, so it means that the guests can swim in the sea and then return on the free of charge sunbeds and umbrellas. Yes. Yes, we have standard or mountain view, pool view, sea view, and for kids we have playground and section in the main pool. Ilaria Hotel, very famous hotel. It looks like, for me, like English manor house with a different buildings located on the green lawns, on the green hills with benches, and it just 400 meters from sandy beach of Laganas. Just and missing for me because it's the image of this Ilaria Hotel is so unique, like English manor house. That's just missing, as for me, the horse stray, something like that. Yeah, so it's the vintage style, and the area close to the lobby, close to the reception, it's cupboard with a family porcelain, with family embracing, with embroidering, excuse me, with embroidering pictures. Yeah, and it's very visible that it's the family property, family. It's vintage style, and it's very demanded product. Very, very demanded. Just one meal type they provide only the breakfast, Yeah, Mimosa Beach, one of my favorite hotels, Mimosa Beach, Argassi. Again, it's the first line, no any road between the hotel and between the sandy beach. Hotel totally covered by the pine forest. You see from the bird view picture, it's very visible. It's the bungalow style. Yes, the one floor bungalow with open terrace, main restaurant in the classical style. Yes, and the rooms are renovated. You see the bathroom, including the bathroom. Yes, and the Provence style. Renovated, yes. Half-board meal types. Zante Village Alikanas, it's 3-star all-inclusive, located approximately 900 meters from sandy beach. Who would like to save good calories after the lunch or after the breakfast? They can use the shuttle bus. Hotel provides free of charge shuttle bus from the hotel to the beach and return away. But as for me, it's better to go by feet to the sandy beach. Yes, it's a visible distance the way from the hotel to the beach. Zante Village has, for the small guests, kids club. They provide mini disco. They have playground and kids menu. If we talk about the rooms, I will show you. It's big advantage. Standard room can accommodate 3+1. It means 4 persons in the room, and very good sandy beach, and again with ideal entrance, so it's absolutely safety for children. Next one, Mandala Seafront Suites provides breakfast and half-board. You see, it's the first line, Laganas. All rooms are suites. It can be standard suite, superior suite, deluxe suite. All suites have sea view. Some of them front sea view. It depends on the floor. Yeah, and again, absolutely ultimate, nice, ultimate. Amazing, let's say, sandy beach, and fully equipped modern kitchen corner, fully equipped. And again, all hotels we are talking about, all of them are best sellers. All of them are very demanded among the clients. I don't waste your time talking about some no-name, not famous hotels, not famous apartment. Just refresh your knowledge. Exotica Hotel, area Kalamaki. We have been today in our mind in Kalamaki when we have visited Dennis Inn Hotel, 3-star hotel. We again returned Exotica Hotel, 4-star, all-inclusive. Please pay attention. 500 meters from sandy beach, totally renovated hotel, including rooms, public areas. And if we talk about the typology of the rooms, we can talk about standard, superior, family room, even with private pool. Main restaurant, yes, room with the private pool. Bars, and for kids we have playground. Exotica Hotel. Clelia Beach, again Kalamaki, all-inclusive hotel. Less than 100 meters from the sandy beach. Room types, standard, family, junior suite, rooms with whirlpool. Very green area, main restaurant, 2 bars and 2 pools. You see, and our favor, our let's say much loved boho style, and everything after the renovation. Clelia Beach. Maryland Hotel, again Kalamaki Hotel, has water slides for the kids. Just 200 meters from Sandy Beach. Yes, you see the pool. For kids, hotel has playground, mini club, kids menu, water slides. Yes, Sandy Beach. And after the renovation, rooms after the renovation. Yes, and outlets as well. Maryland Beach. Golden Coast, first line, no any road between the hotel and between the Sandy Beach. Sunbeds and umbrellas on Sandy Beach with extra charge. Sunbeds and umbrellas on the lawns free of charge. Mini club, playground, water slides in the pool for the kids. And if we talk about the rooms, it's just 88 rooms. Golden Coast, it's the brand new hotel that has opened only 2019. And yes, open a la carte restaurant close to the beach. Yes, and buffet style of the dinner. And about the rooms, can accommodate up to 3 packs, up to 3 persons in the room. Golden Coast. Next one, Kukunaria. Kukunaria in Greek language means pine. So it means in your memory it will be some connection. Very green hotel provides a meal type half board. Just please pay attention on the bird view slide. And here you see hotel has Olympic size pool. Olympic size, it means 50 meters of length around the green, and again very classical combination of the colors, orange and light green colors, and around the pool the vases with flowers, everything in details. Again, the same classical combination between, now it's more bright color, between the olive color and between the orange, and a lot of small outlets that every guest can find the place to be in privacy. For example, to have a cup of coffee, or it's, you see, it's like gazebo, to have a cup of coffee or glass of wine. So among the hotel area, a lot of small piece for the privacy, small corners for the privacy. Yeah, and again for the private dinner, ideal place for the private dinner, as for me. Yeah. Yes. And the totally modern rooms, you see the totally modern style of the interior and modern bathroom. Next one, Garden Palace, again brand new hotel. We today mentioned Golden Coast Hotel, a brand new one. It's the second brand new hotel, Garden Palace, opened in, if I'm not wrong, 2020. Yes, located in the Laganas area, proposes all-inclusive, and just please pay attention on the slides with room images. For the kids, hotel provides playground, kids menu, and the pool for the kids. Yes, very nice and very stylish rooms. Garden Palace, all-inclusive and located in Laganas area. Everything is advantage. Just in total is 70 rooms. White Olive Premium, again, we are still in Laganas. It's not green hotel because it's located in the heart of the resort. Yes, for me, it's for the youth, for the couples, maybe less for the families, because it's not not so rich infrastructure for the kids, not so many facilities for the kids. That's why I think it's more for the couples and for youth. "100 meters from the sandy beach. Hotel proposed gym room and different sport activities." Yes, I just put here again the slide with Laganas beach area, just to show you what is the high quality of this beach. Yeah, so Galaxy Resort. Galaxy, it means universe in Greek language, universe. Laganas first line location, sunbeds and umbrellas with extra charge, and not so large hotel. Yes, see wide typology of the rooms. We have standard, superior, family open plan, family rooms with the sliding door, and the hotel has the main restaurant, has a la carte restaurant with a different theme cuisines, and several bars, lobby close to the beach and close to the pool, and about the rooms. So in the classical characteristic of the hotel 5-star. Next one, the neighbor of the Galaxy, Mediterranean. Just the difference is the meal type, half-board, very similar with Mediterranean, with the Galaxy Hotel, the first line, sunbeds and umbrellas with the extra charge, standard, superior, junior suite, family rooms. Yes, and in the heart of Laganas. Zante Classic Luxury Resort, half-board, full board, located 400 meters from sandy beach. It's, let's say, sophisticated style. Classical style. Sunbeds and umbrellas will be with the extra charge for children playground, pool and menu. And if we talk about the room types, deluxe, family, suite with outdoor jacuzzi. The opening that we're expecting with patient 1st of July, Domes Olus Zante, all-inclusive, located in Laganas. We wait a lot the opening of this hotel. I'm sure it will be the proud of not only the Laganas area, but it will be the pride of Zakynthos itself. Yes, because Domes Group has always unique product, always, with service, with ideas, with performance, with attitude to the guests. It's absolutely unique hotel chain. So Domes Olus, boho style, first line, sunbeds and umbrellas free of charge, opening 1st of July. You see different room types, absolutely. Yes, boho style, so popular last years. Mini club. Yes, mini club, and as you see here, and the kids menu, kids buffet, Klepos krishi, it's let's say krishi, it's for the small guests until the 4 years old supervision for the after the infants. Zante Cape Resort, it's again an opening of in July 2022. We expect for the openings the new hotel, Zante Cape Resort, breakfast and harbor. It's, you see the front location, but there is no way to the beach. They should go approximately 400 meters. It's totally suites and villas. A lot of green, boho style. For me, it's like a fusion between the human soul and the nature. Yes, eco-philosophy everywhere. And here I will stay for some seconds to let you enjoy their room pictures. Yeah. So, dear colleagues, you are welcome to Zakynthos. Always at your services. Kali Sinechia. Have a good season. See you soon. Bye-bye.